Alright, so today we're going to be doing part 2 of rebuilding the mini motorcycle project. Now I kind of already started this video, but that was with the old camera. I did lose a lot of footage I recorded. Not really a lot, but in that video I built a seat to put on here, and I also added some Go Power Sports performance parts to the engine. And like I said, I did lose that footage, and I kind of got, a little sidetracked with buying a new camera and getting sponsored by Go Power Sports. So I kind of had to put this on the back burner for a little bit. So we're finally getting back to this project, and so far I have a seat on here and some Go Power Sports performance parts. I do need to finish the seat, and there's a lot of stuff I want to do to this project, like add some paneling right here, just make it look more like a motorcycle. But that's going to have to wait, and because that's going to take a little while. But for now, what I'm basically wanting to do is just get this thing to run. I did make a gas tank for it, and I did make a video about that, and I still need to attach it right now. It's still just floating on the frame. I want to attach the gas tank and hook up the gas line, and basically just get this thing to run. Alright, so I know you guys really want me to ride this thing right now, but unfortunately that's going to have to wait for another day, mainly because it's Saturday night right now, and it's kind of late. I need to go upstairs and edit this video to upload tomorrow, so therefore I can't really ride this thing right now. It's dark, so that wouldn't really work that well. Now, I'm kind of really tired of just strapping the GoPro to my head and going up the road and calling that a riding video. I know it's something, but you really can't see what I'm riding, and you can't see, you know, there's no interesting shots. All you really see is just the road in front of me, and I try to add, you know, some shots of, you know, the motorcycle, maybe if it's, you know, put a camera here and face this way, but you don't get any shots of like over here facing me, so therefore you can see what I'm riding. So therefore, I'm going to have to figure out a different way to make those videos to add a lot more better shots of all that stuff. So I got to figure out a way to do that. And now I'm kind of thinking about adding some kind of paneling to the side of the frame on both sides to hide most of this stuff, hide the muffler, hide the, you know, all the mechanical parts on the engine, and to make it look more like a motorcycle. But I kind of have concerns about how well I could pull that off, how well it would look, and also will it possibly hinder air getting to the engine and make the engine overheat. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do that, if I'm going to try and do that, but I think it would be really cool. You know, it would make it look really cool, but, you know, how well could I pull it off, if I could, you know. So I need to figure out if I'm going to do that. The parts I used in this video are from Go Power Sports. I will leave a link in the description below to the parts I used in this video. Go check those out. The next video of this project is going to be possibly adding paneling and, of course, painting this thing. I'm thinking about painting it red. So yeah, this thing is a lot of fun, but unfortunately I'm going to have to end the video right here. So anyway, thank you for watching, subscribe, and have a nice day.